working with flowcharts, network diagrams, or org charts saved as VIS files. Visio is the industry standard for business diagramming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and share these visual diagram files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult VIS files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. VIS files are drawing files associated with Microsoft Visio, the professional diagramming and visualization application. They contain structured diagrams including flowcharts, network topologies, floor plans, org charts, process maps, and technical drawings, with shape data connectors, layers, and custom properties. VIS files are drawing files associated with Microsoft Visio, the professional diagramming and visualization application. They contain structured diagrams including flowcharts, network topologies, floor plans, org charts, process maps, and technical drawings, with shape data connectors, layers, and custom properties. The VIS proprietary design mandates association with Microsoft Visio from Microsoft Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows may open a preview pane, but professional vector editing belongs in specialized applications. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your VIS file and click Open with, Test with Microsoft Visio first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If you cannot access the VIS file, no problem. Since the application couldn't handle the VIS file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, open in Microsoft Visio. Launch Microsoft Visio and open the VIS file using File, then Open. Visio displays the diagram with all shapes, connectors, text labels, and formatting intact. Navigate between pages using the Page tabs at the bottom and use the Shape Data window to inspect element properties and metadata. Next, View with Visio Viewer. If you do not have a full Visio license, install the free Microsoft Visio Viewer or use the Visio Web Viewer in Microsoft 365. Upload the file to OneDrive or SharePoint and open it in your browser for viewing and basic annotation without requiring the desktop Visio application. Finally, export to other formats. In Visio, export the drawing to PDF, SVG, PNG, or EMF format using File, then Export or Save As. PDF preserves the visual layout for universal sharing. SVG produces editable vector output for web use. For data extraction, export shape data to Excel using the Reports feature in the Data menu. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.